that was too quick for you. How about a nice big hello? Hello. That was a pretty nice hello. Very nice. Yellow-naped Amazon parrots are found in the rainforests of Central and South America, but Groucho has lived around people his entire life, so he's learned to take that mimicry thing to a whole new level. Let's see if he's ready to show you what we're talking about. All right, Groucho, get more shot. That straight out to your side, arm parallel to the ground, either side a little bit lower. He knows what to do. He flies out to it. He grabs it. He brings it back to me. Harley, where's it go? Yes! All right, I got a $1 bill for you. We got to take it back to our volunteer. You remember how this works? This is your target. You return the money. It's part of the contract. Right out that way. Get ready to grab it. Great job from our volunteer.
Hey, now there's something you don't see every day.
There she is. Perfect.
Chris, that bird has a knife.
A knife?
Yeah.
No, that's her beak.
Oh.
Yeah, that's the beak. That's the beak that they use to forage for prey. Like I said, they spend most of their time down on the ground, so they use that beak to pick up all kinds of different stuff. Insects, vegetation, rodents, reptiles. I mean, they're omnivores. They can eat almost anything. So that beak makes syrup, sweetheart. All right, they've got their cameras ready to go. Keep them focused, guys. She's looking our way.
I got the fly tape. I missed it on the
Oh,
way
you're
back.
really gonna get it if you sit under that end. Come on, guys. Right over this way, right?
That's not a baby bird, that's baby Huey.
What? Jane, it's just a baby black vulture.
He's huge.
He's kind of big. This is true. I know he doesn't look like a baby, guys. He's actually been this big since he was just 3 months old. There he comes. Very nice. Now, come on, Jane. I didn't think you'd be afraid of little baby Webster here. I mean, you know what vultures eat, right?
Yeah, tour guides.
I mean, these poor guys, they eat carrion.
Oh.
You know what that is?
Yeah, that's a luggage I can bring on the airplane.
That's carry-on. Carrion is the rotting carcasses of animals that die out in the wild. Very gross. We see an animal dies, a bird like Webster here is going to come along and clean it up, stops the spread of disease. In his own way, you could call this little bird one of nature's recyclers.
Oh. I recycle.
Recycle bin.
Yeah.
Team up together and take down much larger prey than one ever could on their own. And step up to the size of a jackrabbit, if you can believe it. It's actually pretty amazing. Megan's moved on you. You see her out there? Calculating that flight path too, very nice. Now, that hunting is an important survival strategy, especially when you consider that 75% of all bird of prey hatched out in the wild won't make it past their first year of life.
Really, 75%? Why is that?
75%. It's mainly natural causes, but some people shoot these birds.
Really?
This crane's going to show off his 6-foot wingspan as he makes his way to stage. Watch out for the landing gear if you're in that flight path, folks. He does tend to drag those legs just a little bit, so watch your cameras. All right, buddy, you ready to go? Beautiful. Everybody, this is Fraser. This is Hope. Now, Hope is a living symbol of one of the greatest conservation success stories of our time. You see, it wasn't that long ago when their numbers had dropped so low, so rapidly, that many people feared future generations would never get a chance to see a bird like her out in the wild. But see, that's when an amazing thing happened. People did take notice, we came together, and we took action. We cleaned up the waterways where they fished, and we stopped using chemical pesticides like DDT. This was one of the reasons for their decline.
Wow. So you mean people like these folks here, they made a difference for the bald eagle just by taking care of the environment?
Absolutely right. People's efforts had such a dramatic impact that just recently the bald eagle was officially removed from the endangered species list.
Wow! Hey, that's a really great story.
Oh, really? It's a great conservation success story. Thank you very much, Megan. Of course, thank you, Hope. Guys, it just goes to show what a big difference everyone can make for wildlife, and it starts when we do important things like clean up our own environment.
Hey,
I believe that's yours.
Dad, it's
Thank
my
you.
flag! Oh, no! It's most of my flag. That's all right, it's a topic.
You can find all over the world. Beautiful blue and gold macaws, Ringling macaws, 2 spectacled owls like the one with Amy, tiny little mustache parakeets like the one with Harry, and up front with Jane and myself, the coolest chicken in the entire world. You guys, that reminds me of something I once heard. It's that we haven't inherited this planet from our parents. We're just borrowing it from our children.
Remember, friends, the heart and spirit of all living creatures share a common.
Thank you guys. Thank you very much for joining us. If you'd like to join us down here at the edge, get a closer look at the birds while they're still out, take pictures, ask us any questions.
I'm looking so I'm gonna go back and get the tour and everything.
What password?
पास में